Hi guys, it's Barbara and Mark. Welcome back to our channel where we talk all things branding, web design, and online marketing. Today we want to talk to you about ClickFunnels, landing pages, squeeze pages. There's a lot of different terms for these types of pages, but basically all they are just one page that's selling a product or service or some sort of download. And there's a lot of misconceptions about these types of pages. People say that this is all you need to be successful online, and we're here to tell you that's really not true.
Yeah. We can't even begin to tell you how many times we see on Facebook groups where somebody's new to this industry and everyone is giving them wrong information and they're just saying, oh, just set up a sales funnel and you'll be successful. So in this video we're going to go over the details on why that's the wrong approach and how to do it correctly.
Right. And we're not here to say that creating landing pages or ClickFunnels, whatever you want to call it, is not good. It's something that you definitely need to do, but you also need to establish a brand and have a good website. And the reason for that is people really want to investigate and do some research on you, and if they don't have that information available, then they might not be so keen to buy from you. I know personally, if I see these pages where it's just long paragraphs of text telling me buy, I never ever buy.
Yeah. And you just remember this, at the end of the day, when you're buying a service or a product, you want to be buying from a person. You don't want to be buying from some miscellaneous page on the internet that isn't connected to a person. People buy from people. So
Right.
that's where the big disconnect is.
Yeah, and a website really gives people the opportunity to dig deeper into you. They'll read your about page, they'll see your portfolio of work, they get to know you a little bit, and then they establish that you are a trustworthy person to buy from. Then you can create those ClickFunnels, and people are going to be more likely to buy from you because they know who you are. You've established some sort of reputation. If you just have the ClickFunnel or the landing page, people don't really get the opportunity to get to know who you are and what you're all about.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's why we keep stressing you got to have the website first, establish the trust and the reputation, and then you can go ahead and then build your marketing funnels from there. We just call them marketing funnels because that's what they are. We don't like using sales funnels and what else they say?
There's a lot of ClickFunnels,
yeah, there's a million
page,
things. Yeah,
squeeze page.
it's just called marketing. That's what it is.
Right. Yeah. And there's a lot of different services out there that provide these types of pages, and they're saying, oh, this is all you need to really be successful. But I think the people that are most successful already have an established brand behind those marketing funnels. And at the end of the day, if you have a website, you can create these types of pages all day long. You don't really need a separate service, so keep that in mind as well.
Yeah. We see all the time in Facebook groups. Oh, how do I do a sales funnel? If you have a website, you already are there.
Right. A sales funnel is just
Yeah.
a page on your website.
Yeah, it's nothing more. It's not magic. Like a lot of these marketing people, it's magic. If you do this, you're going to get 6 times the return. I just saw a video today. If you do a sales funnel page, you're going to get 6 times the return. Yeah. There's no data behind any of that information. It's not true.
Yeah, and there's definitely things that you can do on your website to get really good returns on your investment. But at the end of the day, it's just a page on your website.
Yeah.
That's all that these services are, and you can do that on your own just by hiring a designer to do that or writing some good copy. It's really all it is. So that's all that we have for you today. And if you have any questions for us, leave them in the comments. We'd be happy to answer. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.